up, guys? It's Sunday. We back. We coming back with another one. You already know what time it is. Finna get into this rating video. And before we even get started, I'd like to give my part-time girlfriend a thank you for setting up my work office, our work office, because this corner is dope, bro. It look like an office, but it's just a corner. And I'm sorry the video wasn't uploaded on Sunday like I always promised it to be, but I had a lot of stuff going on, New Year's content, track content, cars and coffee. I had a photo shoot earlier with a female. Just had so much going on, so we finna get this thing started. Okay, so first up is one nasty 5-0. Bro, you a crybaby, bro. You cried about 3 weeks straight about being on this video. It ain't even that serious. No, I'm just playing. But one nasty 5-0. Look like you from New York. Car clean. I mean, I gotta give you a 10 straight off because your car look just like mine. Only difference is you got black wheels, carbon fiber hood, you got the Boss 302 front splitter, saline grille, and look like Nietzsche wheels. I'm not sure, but the car is dope. I gotta give you a 10. Race red for the win. So yeah, you got a 10 and you ain't gotta cry no more. Yeah, we're going on to the next one though. Brandon Coble. I probably said that wrong. Correct me if I'm wrong. You from Atlanta? Yep, Atlanta, Georgia. You got a bag, lead foot gray Mustang GT 01. New Edge boys, man. I can't wait to get my New Edge back running, bro. It's crazy how much time I gotta put in that car. Straight off, I'm looking at these ESR wheels. I want to say this ESR. Could be wrong. Dope. You got the clear corners for the headlights, the Cobra bumper. It's bagged. Grill delete. Like you got a 01 Mustang hood, which looks like a Cobra front hood from a distance. If you're not really paying no attention. The Airlift is dope. The car is dope. I'm definitely gonna get that car a 10. Just because that's how I want my New Edge to be. I want my New Edge to be just as clean as that one. I probably won't go with that lead foot gray or that Nardo gray or that primer gray like everybody else. I'm gonna go a little different, you know what I'm saying? But we gotta link up and do that review when you get your trunk setup done and a couple other things you mentioned in the DMs. I think you said interior, yeah, interior and trunk setup. So yeah, we'll link when you get that done. Moving on to Capcom Mustang Racing. I see you just started a YouTube yourself, or you got a YouTube yourself. Your video came up today also, and I'm just seeing this 8 hours ago, so I'm gonna get out of light. Well, can't get out of light till I get unblocked on the 17th. Yeah, we finna like that one more time. Y'all see what they told me? I'm blocked to the 17th for unfollowing people who don't follow me. Bruh, that's crazy. But anyways, let's see what your car look like, bro. Clean S197. GT. I want to say, I don't think it's swapped. 2008 Mustang. You got a 2019 also. The car clean, man, and it may be swapped. I don't know what kind of motor that is. It may look like a GT500 motor. So yeah, that's dope. I want to say it is GT500 swapped. And you got a Bullet 19. So yeah, your car dope. That GT500 swap, I get out of 10, but the car is kind of basic. I get a car itself a 7. So white on black. I mean, it really can't go wrong, but I think it should do a little more to it. You got all of your money in the motor work. So we finna go on to the next person, and that would be O's May 5.0. What's going on, bag boy? Okay, you got the girl in front of your car. Happy Valentine's Day. Man, that's an old picture. You need to upgrade your pictures, bro. Seems like everybody got that rear end. That's clean though. Can't go wrong with it. Bagged. Ruby red. Boss front end. You should delete those fog lights. I don't really like those fog lights. So I think you should delete that, but that's just my opinion. It ain't my car. I can't tell you what to do. Car dope, man. 9 out of 10. Then you got the models on it. You got it going on. Look like you may be from Florida with the palm trees. Yep, South Florida. I be in Florida. We gonna link up. You sponsored? That's dope. Moving on. 5.0 Disturbance. What's up, bro? We met before when I bought my first exhaust for my S197. No, what did I buy from you? It wasn't exhaust. I bought springs from you. I brought the sport lines from you. And I was going to buy the exhaust. But anyways, your car clean. Let's see what it done. 400, 386. Not too bad. Just cold air intake, Borla exhaust. Mustang Racing, Andrew, I take too. We haven't put that in, but you have to put that. That's dope. Got the quad tips. The KMC wheels. That's a clean car, man. That cowl hood, that cowl hood and carbon fiber with that gray, that's clean. That GT500 grille. The car clean, man. I'm gonna give the car a 9 out of 10. Plus you a stick shift guy and you like to race. I see you got your kid on here. Teach him to drive a stick shift early. That's how you do it. And we finna move on to Shine 197, S197. Well, the girl came in and walked out. I don't know what her problem is. But anyways, Shine S197. What's going on, bro? Ruby red, bro. There's a lot of red cars on this video this time, man. What's up with y'all? Y'all banging or something? No, I'm just playing. Okay, first of all, we finna get into it, like right here. Them caliper covers, take them off. Please, take them off. I don't like them. Yeah, take them off. And you just get the calipers painted yellow, or to get the S550 caliper kit, like I have, $300. $300 for brakes, calipers, rotors, and the line you need. No more than $400. But if you're on a budget, hard budget, $300, $350. Okay, jam it. Okay then, car clean, man. Sound like you may be boosted. I don't know, you may be boosted. But full bow tone, and you from Georgia? That was up. We gonna link. But before we link, you gotta take them caliper covers off. You gotta take them off. The car itself, I get a car 8. I think the car should be bad, tad bit lower. Then you should do the 13 to 14 style brake lights, tail lights. That'll be dope. But I'm just playing about the caliper cover. You ain't gotta take them off. That's your car. But I'm gonna give the car 8 or 10. Them covers, 0. I gotta get them covers 0. I don't like them covers. But we finna move on. Jose, Josh, 5.0. I don't know how to say your name, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Inside of your car clean. Hair shifter. TikTok video. Dang, it must suck to have a car like that and living in the snow, man. It must suck. That's nice. 2 5.0s together. Nice wheels, SV wheels. That gray is always clean.
I don't know. I hope I don't fall.
Alright. You fell in love with cars, huh? Yeah, I feel that. That's a lot of us. The car clean, man. You can't go wrong with it. Kind of basic. Kind of need some more mods. Maybe a hood. Maybe a tad bit lower. Maybe a boss front end. And fog light delete. But overall, I give the car a 7. Car don't look too bad to be pretty basic. And you can't go wrong with that. So moving on. 2 valve Daniel. Black on black Cobra. SVT. Wait a minute, that's not a Cobra. 2002 Mustang GT. Okay, first off, I'm going to say take the Cobra badges off, the Cobra bumper, all that, which I think this may actually be a Cobra, man. I don't know. Unless you just got the bumper, the hood. Well, you don't have the hood. Well, that's not a Cobra. So, since it's a Cobra clone, you got the hood, well, you got the grille, the bumper, the fenders, the wheels, the back bumper. Bro, I don't know. The car's still clean, man. That black on black. I think you should get rid of the Cobra words on the back bumper and all the Cobra emblems and put like 40th anniversary stickers on there, 35th anniversary, whatever, or just GT on it, and take the Cobra out the front. But I can't knock it because a lot of people did the Cobra cone theme. So, and I'm doing the Cobra cone theme myself, but I'm not gonna have the badges. I'm not gonna fake the funk. You know what I'm saying? So, with it being a GT, I'm gonna give the car a 6. But the car overall, I'm gonna give it like an 8. But since you got all them other badges, I'm gonna give it a 6. But car clean, and we finna move on to JOAN Zach. I don't know. I see your name, bro. I probably said that wrong as a motherfucker. Wait a minute. You ain't got not the first car on here. You sent me some pictures. You got your car clean. That silver. That's pretty clean. You got the clear corners, Cobra bumper. Pretty basic. You ain't sent me many pictures, but I still get you on the channel, know what I'm saying? Since you do got a Mustang. But overall, I'm gonna get the car a 7. Car clean. At least you didn't put the Cobra fenders and whatnot on it. Then again, you may no, that's a shaved back bumper. So that's clean. You look like you need some exhaust. But overall, car clean. You just need to post them on your page. And for last but not least, you finna go with You the Man 5-0. Another race red. And like you may have a 14. Yep, 14. From Jamaica to Texas. Boss manifold. That's clean, bro. That's clean. Them stripes, that's different. That light red.
I make a call.
That light red.
I make a call and swore.
That's clean. It's different.
Yeah, you can check the score. We up on
those wheels. I really don't like those wheels. Not on these cars anyway. I like them on the S550. Whoever did that pretty clean. I don't know why I keep trying to like stuff knowing I can't like stuff. But anyways, car clean, man. I'm gonna give the car a 8. I think you should drop it down just a tad bit. Maybe a hood, cowl hood, or well, Savini hood, GT500 hood. Anything, just something different. You know, just stand out just a tad. But other than that, car clean. And that's it. I done ran through 10 cars for the video. And I done gave everybody a rating. Everybody should be happy. I didn't go low with nobody because everybody got clean cars. And right now, I'm just clicking through the photos of my new wheels and how they fit on my car. And I got a review video coming for that. And that's it. I'm out. Catch me next week. Tell your friend to tell a friend to tell an auntie to tell a cousin. Hit me up in the DMs and we can do this again next week. I'm out.